All right, everyone, welcome back to another episode of the Left Lane Dismantle series. Today we're taking a look at removing the exterior driver's side door handle of this 2002 Porsche Boxster. This should work out for any models between the year 97 and 04. Looking at the door, we'll see the panel is already off. You can see how we did that in another dismantle video. We'll go ahead and link it below or above, wherever you'll see it. And I'll go ahead and get you caught up to speed to where we're at, which is going to be looking at getting the door handle off, which is going to require two 10mm nuts and popping off one or two small clips, and I'll get it off the door. All right, getting into it first, we're going to take this small little bracket off. It's going to help hold some of the other assemblies to the door, but once you've gotten to this point, you need to get it out of the way so we can actually get a little more access to the back of the door handle. You can technically get it done without doing this, but you will find yourself lacking room. Okay, now that we have the panel plate out of the way, we're going to go ahead and slide this collar back. This collar attaches to the lock actuator. You can slip in here. You don't need to use a screwdriver or anything. Might be even easier with your hands. Just like that. Slips back. And you'll need to do this so you can later pop this like that. Now that the panel is removed and we have more access to the back of the door handle, looking inside you'll see the two 10mm nuts along with a threaded rod going to a plastic collar. And you're going to want to go ahead and take that collar and you're going to want to slide it back just like that. And then once it is slid back, you can simply go in and pop it off. And then we can go ahead and get to the 10mm nuts. Now that we have the two 10mm nuts out of the way, we'll go ahead and unplug it from the wiring harness. You can pull the harness out for easy access, especially since we have that panel removed. Unclip, unplug, and then we remove the door handle. Now that everything has been removed, the exterior door handle is ready to be pulled off the car. You want to just it's going to need a little bit of finagling because of the back hinges. A little twist, rotate. You'll notice the lock and the bracket that holds it on stays with the car and is still attached to the lock actuator of the door. But we do have the exterior door handle now in hand, unbroken, ready to be cleaned up, repaired, or whatever you need to get it done, taken care of. Don't forget that we are a full service parts house specializing in European and Japanese cars. You can find all of our parts online in the links below, and we really appreciate you tuning in and checking this video out. Hope it helped, and enjoy driving.